Hello guys, in this video let us check out the Kensington H3000 Bluetooth headset over here. Now this is a really good headphones for people who are working from home and they want crystal clear calls. So you can see it's written works well with Teams, Zoom, Cisco WebEx and Google Meets. Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Android and other information is given here. To the rear side, if you see, there is something in AI written that it's AI powered environment noise cancellation. That's quite good. And then here it shows some more information. If you're interested in reading this, you can just pause the video and read the same. And this shows what you get inside the box, and it has 2 years of limited warranty. Opening up the box, it comes packed in nice plastic. This is what we have inside. We have a user manual and then some safety instructions, and then this is the box inside which we have the H3000 headphone. Here's the H3000 headphone out of the box, and here the box is quite big and it's made of a very good quality. This product looks very nice and it's better than what we expected in the image. So here we have a small USB dongle that was inside that small pouch, and then we have a USB Type-C cable for charging and connection. Taking a look at the headphones now, you can see here we have the power button and then the Bluetooth button and the USB Type-C charging port. On the top we have some controls which are self-explanatory: volume up, down, next, pause and play. So this is the microphone which can be used for taking calls. And the ear pads are very soft. We use this for like few hours now and the ear pad looks very soft. So you can see this looks quite good and they are very soft and very comfortable to wear. So we wear for around 2.5 hours right now and this was very comfortable to use. And even we tried to do few audio calls as well, and the calls were also quite good. They were quite crystal clear. We connected it to our smartphone as well as on our laptop on a Zoom call, and this was quite good too. So guys, overall, if you're looking to buy a headphone that is for work purpose as well as to listening some music, this would be a great headphone that you can go for. If you're interested in purchasing the same, a link to same will in the description from it. You can go and buy it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys soon in our next video.